The financial sector, once characterized by bustling trading floors and mountains of paperwork, is undergoing a profound transformation. At the heart of this shift is automation, driven by advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning. This technological revolution is reshaping the industry, impacting everything from routine tasks to complex financial analysis. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, it's crucial to understand both the opportunities and challenges that automation brings to the world of finance. This essay will delve into the evolving landscape of finance, exploring the impact of automation on job roles, necessary skills for the future, and the ethical considerations surrounding this technological shift. The integration of automation in finance is not merely a futuristic concept. It's a reality that is rapidly gaining momentum. Financial institutions are increasingly turning to AI-powered solutions to streamline operations, reduce costs, and improve efficiency. From algorithmic trading to fraud detection, automation is changing the face of finance, leaving many to wonder about its implications for the future workforce. As we explore this evolving landscape, we'll examine the specific ways in which automation is transforming various aspects of finance. One of the most significant impacts of automation in finance is its ability to handle repetitive, rules-based tasks. Tasks that once required hours of manual labor are now being automated, freeing up human employees to focus on more strategic and complex work. Data entry, for example, a task traditionally known for its tedious nature, is being revolutionized by robotic process automation. Robotic process automation utilizes software robots to mimic human actions, efficiently handling data entry with speed and accuracy. This not only reduces the risk of human error, but also allows employees to engage in more stimulating and value-adding activities. Financial reporting, another area ripe for automation, is being streamlined through sophisticated software solutions. These solutions can automatically generate reports, analyze data, and identify trends, significantly reducing the time and effort required for these tasks. This shift towards automation not only enhances efficiency, but also allows finance professionals to delve deeper into data interpretation and strategic decision-making. By automating the mundane, organizations can empower their employees to focus on higher-level tasks that require critical thinking, creativity, and human judgment. The rise of automation in finance is inevitably transforming job roles within the industry. Accountants, once primarily responsible for bookkeeping and financial reporting, are now finding themselves at a crossroads. While automation is taking over routine tasks, it's also creating opportunities for accountants to leverage their expertise in new ways. With more time freed up from manual tasks, accountants can transition into more analytical and advisory roles, providing valuable insights to businesses based on data-driven analysis. Similarly, financial analysts are experiencing a shift in their roles. While automation can handle basic financial modeling and data crunching, the role of the analyst is evolving to encompass more complex analysis, interpretation, and forecasting. Analysts are now tasked with leveraging their expertise to make sense of the vast amounts of data generated by automated systems, identifying trends, and providing strategic recommendations to businesses. This shift highlights the growing importance of human judgment, critical thinking, and the ability to extract meaningful insights from data in the age of automation.